Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you the done Shopify transparent header. Let's get started. So right now, let's see what my actual website looks like. So as you can see, this is my header, and when I scroll on, as you can see, it is actually not pasting in place. So if it's indeed pasting in place, it will actually put that itself right there. Now what we can do is we can actually click on customize right here. And then from in there, we can actually see our header, right? So for this header right here, make sure also it's been pinned to the top. So in here, you can also see in here a lot of settings for the specific header. And you can actually edit your logo and all of this right here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You have this previous section, you have this hide section right here, and all these things right here for your header. So in here, you can actually just use this menu type or just a menu or sticky header. So let's make it the sticky header right here and let's save that. So in that way, when I head over to our store, it will stick. Now in here, as you can see, it sticks right now, but it is not transparent. So in order to make this transparent, let's head back in here. And then from in there, let's click on these three dots. Then from them, let's head over to this edit code. Now on this edit code right here, let's search in here for base. And you can see this base.css. So on this one, I just need to put this code right here. So let me just copy this code. Then after that, let me head back to the very bottom of this page. And in here, you can add your actual code right here. After that, click on save. And then as you can see, it will be saved. Now let's head back to my store. And then let's refresh it. As you can see, it looks like this. But when you scroll in, as you can see, it actually is transparent right now. So that's the whole process. If we have found this video helpful, then probably like, below, or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.